What's up? Welcome to my other video. Today I want to sort out all this stuff. The car had no floor mats, so I had to kind of do something to accommodate so it doesn't look like this. But today I think I'll just rewire the whole thing and fix the bent rim this side. So I have a bent rim here, so it's no more trapping air. So every time I have to use the car, I have to go pump the wheel. So yeah, it's a lot. But I wanna work on this boot. I'll just do the rewiring and everything, so it looks kinda neat. Already the boot looks like a smash, but I'll work on something just to make it look neat so it can be lookable. Yeah. So what you wanna do is clear out everything. So I'm gonna rewire the whole sound setup, and then I have these boxes from my last sub box. I dismantled it so I can try and make it look a bit nice. See, it's untidy right now, so just want to try and make it look nice, rewire properly, because the wires are everywhere. So I'm gonna try and rewire properly. So first I'm gonna remove everything, try get the boot clean, and then rewire everything, and then you can install the new boxes, cleaner boxes actually. Then we'll take it from there and see. I'm fine. Okay, this is the mess I was talking about. This is what I'm trying to clear and fix. See all the mess that's here. So what I'm gonna do right now is just clear up everything and then start the wiring from scratch again, and then yeah, you'll see. You'll see it's just a lot, just to make the boot setup neat and everything, and for when I put back the spare wheel on the car, then everything's good. Yeah, so I tried cleaning the boot. It's not bad, but it's at least a bit neat. So now I'm just gonna sort out the noodles, and then after sorting out the noodles, then okay, everything I'm gonna just put back to order and see how neat it's gonna be when we're done. So guys, this is the concept of how the boot setup will be. So we're still working on it, and then there's gonna be another board on top here. As you see these holes, there's gonna be another board on top. Let me try close it for you guys to show you how the setup will be. So this is how, and then put the board on top. And voila, we have a boot. We have a boot. And this is not only just the end of the build, so we're still gonna put some lightings around just to give it that show look. But yeah, I don't think I'll be going around opening my boot. So tomorrow I'll be doing the wiring and stuff, and then from there then we can play the sound and hear how it sounds. For now, tune in for another video. Like, share and subscribe.